What's up? What's up? Guess who's back, guys? Well, it's been a while. I've been dibble-dabbling, doing some things here and there. Fixed a couple Teslas. Here I'm in the wife's. Her Mercedes that I rebuilt 5 years ago has now been sold. I gave her this one, and it's time to go pick up my very first brand new vehicle that I've ever bought ever. And so, with that, I'm going to modify it and see if you guys like this video. First stop, Tesla. Here we are, boys. White on white. Jump in it, sign some documents, and off we go to PPF, tint, and ceramic coating. I found this little blemish here. He's gonna clean it up for me, but I'm gonna continue looking at gaps. But overall, it looks good. Look at that. Very nice. First stop, PPF, tint and ceramic coating right here at Royal Auto Finishes. Matches pretty good. Wow, she's all done. So the front is PPF'd, windshield and side windows and all ceramic. All right, we're back at the house. Got all the little upgrades going on. Got floor mats, got some mud flaps, screen protectors, ceramic coating on the seats. I know it's a bit of a gimmick, but white seats, I'm going to try to give it anything that I can possibly save those seats with. But first and foremost, we got to give this car a name. It's going to be the Stormtrooper. I'm going to put this badge on the back and get all this other stuff in. Yeah, looks pretty good. Out with the old, in with the new. Driver's side going in. All these parts are not sponsored. I paid for it all. I'll have links for them in the description. So if you need some awesome floor mats, after 4 Teslas, I figured out which brand's the best. And don't argue with me, trust me. It's a done deal, and it's these ones. Link down below. Just in case I'm gonna be dropping some stuff in there. Don't want to beat it up too bad. Well, that's good. Yep, best floor mats. One of the first steps you gotta do in a new Tesla, you gotta get a screen protector, a matte one at that. There we go, that nice new peel off. I don't even know if it needs to be cleaned or not, but just give it a whirl with that cleaning. Corners right. Well, it happens to the best of us, I guess. And just like that, gotta order a new screen protector. Crap. I hate when things don't go according to plan. Just that little lip. Hopefully it's not the actual screen. Oh, sweet baby Jesus. Screen's okay, boys. Time to order another one. Applying this to this, and hopefully it will protect the interior, but who knows? People are saying it's just a gimmick. 3-4 months? Shoot, why not? I can't be the only one that has cool toys. I had to get the wife something too. Bam. Good job, buddy. The review went pretty good. Dude, she looks good, man. He got the letters right, finally, yeah. Oh, she looks good. Yeah, he did it. Bam. Wheels are on, boys. Oh, look at the sunset glistening off the paint. Oh, yeah. Here are the wheels. Wow. Yeah, I love the way it turned out. That's sick. Got the mud flaps on as well. Look at that shot. One of the last upgrades you need that swivel. It's a must in these Teslas. Swivel up, down, side to side, does its thing. Also, the phone holder and charger 9000. I'm gonna run this wire all the way down on the side and into the back here. Yee.